Bang! The Zhiyun Crane M2, the most versatile camera gimbal you could purchase as of right now. This thing is super versatile. It could pretty much handle all your small camera gear such as your DJI, your GoPro, your smartphone devices, and your compact and mirrorless camera. So today's video, we are just gonna be doing a quick unboxing and see what kind of stuff we get out of this box. And for my next video, I'm gonna be doing the full review and I'll give you guys my opinion, what I think about this gimbal. So without further ado, guys, let's get started. Bang, look at that, guys. It comes with a small carrying case or whatever you call it. Well, it doesn't have a handle, so I don't really consider it as a carrying case. We'll just call it as a case, a portable case, which looks really, really nice, guys. All right. So here is the opening area here. We could just lift that up. Boom. Look at all those stuff, guys. So the first thing we'll grab is we got a small tripod over here. Just put this down. We got a small tripod, which is made of plastic for lightweight. It comes with a strap, which is always nice to have. You've got your Type-C cable. You've got your smartphone holder, which can expand quite big, quite wide, I mean. You have this knob here, screw knob. And on top, you have this mounting plate. And now let's check out the gimbal itself, guys. So here it is. Wow. 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 Wow, guys. This thing is super light. Let's attach the tripod. Oh my goodness, guys. This thing is super light. It seems like it is lighter than my dedicated smartphone gimbals. Wow, very impressive. The bottom part here is completely made of plastic. It's got a rubbery grip on the front and also on the back. And on the top is pretty much made all in metal. So definitely you do have some heft on the top, but at the bottom, it is completely made of plastic so that it is completely lightweight. So you've got your joystick here, which is made of plastic as well. Your mode switch, your photo and video recorder. And on the back, you got your zoom in and zoom out, your Type-C port, your 1/4 thread on the side there so that you could mount your shotgun mic or your portable microphone there. You do have your trigger button on the back, and it's got a locking axis at the bottom over here. So it is perfect for storing it away more in compact and so that it doesn't move around. My first impression is that I am quite impressed how portable and lightweight this gimbal is. But now we are going to be trying to figure out if this gimbal is actually the gimbal that you really want to use all the time, especially when you are traveling. Portability wise, lightweight is a key factor of one of my most demanding criteria when it comes to gimbal. And right now it fits the bill, guys. So we're gonna check out the stabilization, how it performs, and the feature that it's got to offer on my next video. So stay tuned for that on my next video, and I will do a full review on this and let you guys know what I think about this gimbal. We're gonna be testing out on my smartphone devices and on my Sony 6400 with maybe the 56 lens or the 16 f1.4, but I doubt it. It might not able to handle it because of the payload on this is not quite high. So there you go, guys. That's just my quick unboxing. So stay tuned for my next video. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.